Do you think that I could organize this laundry room for just 20 bucks? Keep watching and find out. Let's head to Dollar Tree where we're going to pick up 2 of these buckets, 4 clear shoe organizers, 2 of these square-sided bins, 3 spray bottles, and 1 hanging rack. Now for a bonus, we're going to stop by the teacher section and pick up a reusable dry erase pocket. This Dollar Tree laundry room organization is so far way under our $20 budget. Our first Dollar Tree laundry organizing trick is to take those items like irons that are way too high and store them in these buckets. Throughout this video, I may be showing you items that are a little different than what you may find in store, but anything this general size is just fine. These dry erase pockets are the perfect tool to store your stain removal guide or your fabric care guides. And I'm using one of the magnetic clips to hold it. This $20 Dollar Tree laundry room organization is thanks to my mother-in-law. She was willing to let me come in and film her laundry room and make it a little easier for her to use. Laundry is hard enough to do without a lot of visual clutter. So our first goal was to really streamline this space and make sure that she had only what she really needed here. Our second goal was to make the very most of the limited floor space. Because of all the items she had piled on top of the washer and dryer, she really wasn't able to use these beautiful cabinets. So we wanted to make sure that the space functioned at a high level for her. Most importantly, this laundry room organization needs to prioritize safety. She was climbing up to get things off of these shelves. Some of these items were breakable and heavy, and it just wasn't a great idea for her. Let's get started with this Dollar Tree laundry room organization and see if we can stay within our $20 budget. I find some repetitive offenders when I organize rooms like this. One of them is vases and the other is candles. I was able to remove all the vases from this room, put them all on one table, and my mother-in-law was able to go through these and just pick out the ones she really loved the most. When we store cleaning fluids and cleaning tools in multiple locations, it's easy to buy more than we really need or not be able to find the ones that we have. So one of the things that we're going to do is centralize all of those cleaning fluids and tools. One central part of organization is that every object needs a home, and many of us pile clutter because we just don't want to take the time and energy to think about where is the best home for those objects. So for example, my mother-in-law had some beach towels in here, which she very seldom used, and we were easily able to relocate. This was a bullhorn from the days when my kids were little, and she used to corral them at her house in the summers. And we also found some beautiful heirlooms that we were able to store in another room. Organizing a laundry room is a great time to dust every single surface because this room collects dust. We were actually able to consolidate all these cleaning fluids into one cabinet and eliminate a piece of furniture, making more floor space. Not only is her washing detergent easier for her to use, but now she has all of her cleaning fluids in a central location, making it really too easy for her to see what she has, and that she probably doesn't need to shop for these for quite a while. Not only is this organizing project going to make this room much easier for her to use, but it's also going to save her money, knowing where the things she needs are and when she needs more. We're going to corral her cleaning items in the next cabinet using 2 of these square boxes and 4 of the clear Dollar Tree shoe boxes. Don't forget to label every single box because not only you are going to use it, but the next person to come along will be able to find it and put it back where it goes. So far, we're under budget with our $20 Dollar Tree laundry room organization. We've also accomplished 2 of the goals of reducing the visual clutter and making this space far more functional. When cleaning items are at eye level or just a little bit above, they're easy to grab and put back where they belong. First, we're labeling those 3 spray bottles with her most frequently used cleaning solvents. Next, we'll use this wire rack from the Dollar Tree to hang her commonly used cleaning tools and those spray solvent bottles. But wait, there's more, my friends. We're not just talking about Dollar Tree today. I'm giving you a little bonus by showing you some of my favorite Walmart affordable items that you're going to need to organize your laundry room. These plastic jumbo clothespins are great if you have arthritis or limited hand mobility, and they look adorable also. To make the most of the small floor space and also make it a little lighter and easier for it to carry, we got a couple of these folding laundry hampers. Now, Dollar Tree sells the same thing, but I can't always find them there. So this is an alternative for you. Because this basket is vertical rather than horizontal, it takes up far less space, and she's going to put one in her closet as well. If you have an awkward size laundry room door or a folding door, these plastic hooks from Walmart are perfect. These hooks are not only reasonably priced, but they fit really well when an ordinary rack is just too big. For narrow or small shelves in pantries or laundry rooms, these mainstays bins are a game changer. She can see everything in these labeled bins, and now she has so much more room for storage of items that she really needs here. We were able to donate 4 bags full of items, most of them vases that she's not even going to miss. If you are feeling overwhelmed by your laundry room organization, I hope that this before and after inspires you to get started. Here's the thing I want you to remember, my friend. You deserve to have a workspace that functions well for you, that is safe, and yes, that looks pretty. So spend $20, take everything out and re-examine it, and give yourself the gift of an area that's going to be fun and easy to work in. I had so much fun with the big reveal from my mother-in-law. She was amazed at how many solvents she had, and also that she could see everything she uses on a common basis and easily reach it. But by far the best part of this Dollar Tree laundry room redo was the fact that we know she's going to be safe in this room, and she's not going to have to use that ladder to get up on these high shelves to get dangerous items or heavy things. It was fun for me to go through some of the objects in this room with her, like her mother's silverware, this old game board that she forgot she had, as well as many family items that I had never seen before and she had forgotten she'd put in this room. It was definitely under $20, well spent from Dollar Tree, with a few extras from Walmart. But for not very much at all, we were able to transform this room to something she looks forward to using, that's bright, that's airy, and that she has the space to do what she needs to. Not only did we save a collection of her favorite vases, but now she can see them on eye level and reach them whenever she wants one. My favorite was this little white face. Tell me which one you love the most in the comments below. If you've got some inspiration today, don't forget to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you liked this episode, you're going to love this one. And do not forget, my friends, that today is absolutely not the end of your story. No matter what's going on, get up and put one small step in front of the other.